Hey everybody, this is Mark from Tri Duty on the Trail, and I'm back at Pinckney State Recreation Area to do some kayak camping. I'm gonna take off here from Half Moon Lake behind me and paddle maybe, I don't know, a couple miles, something like that, and head over to our old friend Blind Lake. It's a holiday weekend, it's gonna be pretty busy, but there was a spot, so I figured, you know what, let's take it and get out and enjoy this beautiful, beautiful weather. Fall weather is coming, and it is amazing, amazing time to be out. So we are out on the water. This is awesome. Still early enough on a Friday that there aren't a lot of people out. That's cool, easy. Hopefully we won't get run over by any of these bigger boats come flying through here. Really pay attention. Cool place. Alright, so just checking the map here to make sure I don't mess this up. There's a bridge right over there we're going to have to go under, I think? I don't know. I haven't done this too much, or I've never kayaked over here, so run all the trails and hiked all the trails here, but we're, yeah, this is the right way. Coming over to say hi. Cool. Leave you alone. Nice. So there's the bridge that I thought I was going to go under, but I don't think so. I just saw another boat come flying through and stop short of the bridge and headed south. So I think that's probably what I'm supposed to do. We're going to go take a look, and I'll probably double check the map again. Guess what's the worst that could happen, right? All right, cool. All right, so we are getting close now. We're on that little connector there between the two lakes. Alright, so we are getting close now. We're on that little connector there between the two lakes. So this is pretty cool. Never been through here before. This is neat. Very cool. Alright, so I can see the campground now. We're probably, maybe a quarter mile away, something like that. Always looks further on the water though. But we are not far at all. So we should get there around 2 o'clock, have a nice camp day. Awesome. So cool. to work. So you might notice this hat I'm wearing has this patch on it. It says Benson Bushcraft. Well, one of my longtime buddies has a YouTube channel called Crow Studios, and this is his son. And just started watching it recently, and young kid does really, really cool stuff. Outdoor stuff, bushcrafting, obviously, camping, hiking, kayaking, all sorts of things. So go check him out and say hello, tell him I sent you. There we go. Yeah, so a pretty chill afternoon here by Blind Lake. Expect it to start getting a little bit busier here. I think most of the sites are reserved, so we'll have some company. So anyway, I'm gonna enjoy the time here and start a fire here in a little bit. I'm gonna cook up a few sausages, I think. There's some kind of jalapeno cheese sausage, something. So we'll cook those on the fire if all goes according to plan, and enjoy a nice dinner in just a little bit. Well, these have been seasoned with the fire, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna be good. Okay. And I was hungry. Let's get this fire going again. So it's been a pretty quiet evening. Folks are filtering in here, so it's getting a little bit noisy, but that's how it goes on a holiday weekend. Probably gonna have some Rice Krispies cooked over the fire, just a nice little dessert after my nice little dinner. And yeah, try to get to bed early. I gotta meet my buddy tomorrow morning where I parked, and we're gonna go run the 16-mile Potawatomi Trail, since next week we have to do a 50-kilometer trail run. Life choices. I have to say thank you to my daughter Emma for these. She got these for me. This is a perfect dessert. Right, so we've enjoyed a nice fire this evening, nice dinner, nice dessert, and gonna try and see if we can see some stars this evening. We'll see. But yeah, thankful to be out here kayak camping. It's been a while. We'll see you in the morning. Morning, day number 2 here from Blind Lake. Got all packed up and headed out, and we were on the water for a very, very fine night. This fog is wild. I thought it might be a little bit foggy, but this is like super, super thick. But we're doing okay. We're about halfway done. Just keeping the land to my right side over here so I don't get disoriented too badly. That's the plan anyway. So we're back on Half Moon Lake here. The fog continues, but so far so good. Well, I will say I'm thankful for a map because I was very disoriented there. And we are now just pulling into the swimming area. I knew I was close, but I didn't know which way to go. It was weird. The fog was so thick and the sun shining right in my face. Crazy. Crazy. And just like that, we are back at the Half Moon area where I parked. So, fun time, a little foggy this morning, but really a great little getaway. Like, subscribe, and comment, and all that stuff, and we'll see you on the next one.